For the open road, a new way to move forward, for those who are in it for the long haul. The bold new cab was crafted to improve aerodynamics and is defined by its new signature V-shaped headlights. They perfectly align with the dynamic lines of the cab and turn indicators that have been moved to the door. We've always put safety above all else, and our new adaptive high-beam lights are a prime example. You experience far better nighttime driving conditions because the new headlamps are connected to a camera engineered to detect other vehicles, selectively switching off LED segments that would otherwise blind vehicles both in front and approaching. The high beam still lights the unaffected parts of the road. Everything is easily accessible to the driver for a more comfortable work environment. Your devices are easy to reach with added open storage featuring motion sensing lighting. Information in the cluster is now easier to view and access with a high-resolution display and intuitive interface, where you can toggle between 4 predefined screens depending on your situation. Our state-of-the-art side display is set within easy reach of the driver and can be controlled in numerous ways, providing infotainment, navigation, transport information, and camera monitoring, along with the new passenger corner camera. Staying connected when you're on the road becomes your lifeline. The FH now has 3 USB connections, 2 next to the instrument cluster and 1 on the driver's side of the center section. Our new dual battery system ensures that power is always held in reserve to start the engine. Moving inside the cabin is more convenient than ever with our new, slimmer, ergonomically designed I-Shift gear selector. With the new FH, downhill cruise control and the electronically controlled braking system come standard, making our truck even safer. Drive with confidence because the FH offers a multitude of additional safety enhancements, including our smart road sign recognition. With iSave, we deliver fuel saving of up to 7% in long-haul operations. In some markets, Volvo FH is also available with a Euro 6 Step D compliant gas-powered engine. Better maneuverability and reduced tyre wear is achieved for trucks with a steered tag or pusher axles because steering angles have increased by up to 7 degrees. We know that uptime is more critical than ever, so we offer the service and support you need, including around-the-clock real-time monitoring, detecting, diagnosing and treating faults before they become problems. When you spend your days on the road, this is for you. Comfort, safety and efficiency.
In order to give the truck as long driving range as possible, the tank is filled with liquefied gas. The gas is stored in a cryogenic vacuum-isolated tank at -130 to 140 degrees Celsius. Inside the tank is a hydraulically driven pump that raises the LNG to system pressure, and a vaporizer at the end of the pump converts the LNG back to the form of gas, high-pressure CNG, around 300 bars. The CNG gas is delivered to the engine via IGM, Integrated Gas Module. Here the pressure and temperature is controlled. If needed, the gas is kept in the module until the right pressure has been worked up. When ready, it's released and continues its way to the GCM, the gas conditioning module inside the engine. The GCM regulates the pressure delivered to the gas rails and injectors according to the engine operating point. In order to ignite the gas, a very small amount of diesel is needed. The smart fuel injector uses concentric needles to enable diesel and gas in the same injector. The pressure ignites the mixture and the engine starts running. When the engine is switched off, the gas shutoff valve on the engine is closed and any gas remaining in the engine injectors and gas rails is vented out. The engine needs to be vented down because diesel rail pressure controls the injector gas needles. The venting prevents the injectors to open when they shouldn't. A smart module called RTT, return to tank, directs the vented gas back to the tank so that it can be reused. This also ensures that as little gas as possible is vented out in the atmosphere.